In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link WordPress menu items to Elementor sections step by step. This is perfect if you're building a one-page website or a landing page, and you want your navigation menu to smoothly scroll to different sections instead of loading a new page. By the end of this tutorial, your menu links will jump directly to the right section on your page. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You can do that by going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin and entering your login details. Once you're inside the dashboard, the first thing we need to make sure of is that Elementor is installed and activated. To do that, go to Plugins on the left side menu, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor. When you see Elementor Website Builder appear, click Install Now and then click Activate. If you already have Elementor installed and activated, you can skip this step. Next, go to the page where you want to create section links. From your dashboard, click on Pages, then select the page you want to edit. Once you're inside the page editor, click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will launch the Elementor Visual Builder. Now here's the important part. In order to link a menu item to a specific section, we need to assign a CSS ID to that section. Click on the section you want to link to. Make sure you are selecting the entire section, not just a widget inside it. Once selected, go to the Advanced tab in the left panel. You'll see a field labeled CSS ID. In that field, type a unique name for your section. For example, you can type About, Services, Contact, or any name that describes the section. Do not use spaces. If you need multiple words, you can separate them with a dash. After entering the CSS ID, click Update to save your changes. Now that the section has a CSS ID, we need to connect it to the WordPress menu. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance and click on Menus. Select the menu you want to edit, usually your primary menu. On the left side, click on Custom Links. In the URL field, type a hashtag symbol followed by the CSS ID you created. For example, if your CSS ID was Services, you would type #Services. In the link text field, enter the name you want to appear in your navigation menu, like Services. Then click Add to Menu. Once it appears in your menu structure, position it wherever you want in the menu order. After that, click Save Menu. Now, when you visit your website and click on that menu item, it will automatically scroll down to the section with the matching CSS ID. That's it. You've successfully linked a WordPress menu item to an Elementor section. If your menu and section are on the same page, this method works perfectly for creating smooth one-page navigation. And if you're using Elementor's built-in smooth scroll features or your theme includes smooth scrolling, the transition will look even more professional. Just remember, the key steps are assigning a CSS ID to the section in Elementor and then linking to it in your menu using a hashtag followed by that exact ID name. If the spelling doesn't match exactly, it won't work. And that's how you link WordPress menu items to Elementor sections quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.